So good morning, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. This is AKM Nurul Alam from Bangladesh. I'm the country coordinator of SLiMS Bangladesh. This is my first interaction with Pakistan community. Hope for the best. Let's start. So I am AKM Nurul Alam. My nickname is Yopu. I am country coordinator of SLiMS Bangladesh, as well as I am working at Bangladesh Bank Library as deputy director. And working with SLiMS, as you learned from PSLiMS Hub, that I'm working with SLiMS more than 10 years. Dear participants, my request, you please keep your questions to you. After the end of the session, I shall discuss everything. I shall accept your questions and try to answer everyone. Okay. Okay. So just a brief information about me. I have graduated from University of Dhaka, and obviously information science and library management. Currently working at Bangladesh Bank, the Central Bank of Bangladesh. And I translated SLiMS in 2010, and from then working as SLiMS country coordinator. I am also working at the joint secretary at our association, Bangladesh Association of Librarian and Information Scientists and Documentalists, BSLiMS. I am also web editor of the Librarian Times, a web-based librarian bulletins in Bangladesh, published from Australia. I also do programming with PHP, MySQL. I'm also a website developer and mostly working with Drupal, WordPress, Joomla. And since I'm a library professional and a technical person, so I use other software also, like Koha, DSpace, Jotiro, Mendeley. I often provide trainings and technical support on this software. In 2018, I received TLT Young Excellence Innovation Award. And in 2016, I received training on 3M RFID system from 3M Singapore. And in 2018, I was in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India for 2 months long advanced certificate course under Indian government technical scholarship. Okay, now let's start for our SLiMS. What is SLiMS? You know that SLiMS is the short name of Senayan Library Management System. So Senayan is the name of a small city in Indonesia. So the main coding work started at this city. So the software is named after Senayan, and it is called SLiMS. Earlier it was known by Senayan. In 2007, 8, 9, 10, or 11, so far I can recall, people know it as Senayan. Now it is known as SLiMS. It is completely free and open source, and is licensed under GPL version 3. So you have already learned that it is originated from Indonesia, and the coding work started in 2007, and first released was in November 2007. Till now, more than 21 versions have been released, and current one is SLiMS 9 Boolean. Mainly, it is designed for small or medium to large scale needs. All the libraries can use this software. It is suitable for the libraries that has many staffs, network, computer, opaque use option. So this software can run on both internet and intranet, that is local network. If you have local network, you can use this software, no problem. Or if you want to use, you can use it over internet, no problem. And the special feature of this software is this software allows you to use your digital library, to make your digital library. So if you want to make a digital library and convert your normal library to automation, then you can easily use this software, no problem. So what are the technologies used? All the technologies that are used are open source. So all the participants are requested to keep muted. Whenever you required, please unmute yourself and talk to me, no problem. So see, what are the technologies we are using here? All our technologies are open source. So none of you will ask you for any payment. System requirements. Since it is a web-based system, you need a server software. SLiMS is a web-based software. That means you need to access SLiMS over a browser. So, browser means you need to server a client. So, whenever you work from your machine, that is called client. And from the IP address or URL website address, that is server address. So, we need a server. To set up a server, we need Apache software. For database, we need MySQL or MariaDB database. For SLiMS 9, we need PHP 7.3 or higher. Minimum 7.3 version. PHP version 7.3 is required. And GD library, getText, and MB string. These are plugins. These plugins must be installed. I see. These plugins must be installed. And optionally, you will need PHP YZ function for Z39 option. Without this one, you can also run, but this is optional. Yeah. So for Windows, this is difficult to install YZ because this YZ module compilation is not available all the times. So, but if you use Linux like Ubuntu or Debian, you can easily configure this option, no problem. And for Linux users, for Windows there is no problem, but for Linux user you need to enable write option for config, files, images, and repository folder. This folder must be writable. So what are the features now? Features are union catalog, copy cataloging, that means Z39, P2P, multi-language feature, different standards we have. We will now go to every points of the software, which features are covered. You can see now here. See, first we have a dashboard. So from this dashboard, you know, every car has a dashboard. So like a car, your software has a dashboard also. So in this dashboard, you can see your library overall status. Now, bibliography, the main option of attraction of the software is bibliography, that is called cataloging. Here you see add bibliography name. So you will find cataloging option. That means you can add as many as resources. You can use RDA or ASR2 option. There is Z39 option. You can export import via Mark 21. You can export or import data using CSV Excel file. There is barcode and spine level printing option. You can in fact print catalog card. The database is relational database. That is very easy to use, and data entry is very simple also. That means single interface can allow you to input every types of resources. That means book, CD, DVD, audio, visual, or soft copy PDF. Everything you can catalog in your library using this simple entry form. So this is the main attraction of the software SLiMS. Then circulation. In the circulation module, you can issue or return your library resources. You can reserve for the users. You can see the loan history. You can send overdue notification, calculate fines, and set loan rules. For membership management, you can add different types of membership types and add new members. You can also manage serial or journals. You can take stock taking. That means every year or every 5 years, you can count your library resources. This is now the main part is system configuration. There is a cliche that IT people do not hand over the control to other people. But here, for the libraries, SLiMS software, the librarian has all the power. The librarian can control everything and configure his library. Every system requires reporting. So here is a number of reporting modules, reporting systems. So you can get your desired report from this software. And for the user, there is online public access catalog, that is OPAC. So from this OPAC, you can search like a Google, that is we call simple search. Whatever you know, just put and type and hit enter, you will get your result. If you know more information, you can use advanced search. User can log in and see their status, loan history, everything. User also can read ebook or PDF, listen audio, watch video, and you can limit the content access also. And the user also can get citation ready-made. And the special feature, what I told you, that digital resources. Okay. So you can use this software for digital library and institutional repository purpose also. So with SLiMS, we can convert our regular library as an automated library. And beside this, we can make a digital library and institutional repository also. So here are some special features, that is OAI-PMS data provider as for metadata harvesting. OAI-PMS standard, Open Archive Initiative Protocol for metadata harvesting. This is also enabled with SLiMS. Mods XML web service, RSS also enabled here. RDA, ISBD, ASCR to level 2 descriptive cataloging also followed in this software. You can use Union catalog and federated search engine for SLiMS software. You can integrate your library catalog with WordPress and Drupal website. If your library website is developed with WordPress or Drupal, you can integrate your library catalog SLiMS with them also. All the programs are module based, so this is very easy to develop the program and customize your modules also. Template based responsive OPAC and admin panel, so you can customize your templates also. And most user friendly part is all these templates are mobile friendly, mobile ready. So here are some security features also. You can make your database read only for OPAC, so that it can be secured for everyone. The librarian login can have full access. If you have a large organization or large library, large institution, and you have LDAP server, so you don't need to add every user